You belong here with us.
Thanks, but no thanks.
Come live with us in the palace. There's a room waiting for you. Come on, just let us adore you. Come live with us in the palace. There's a room waiting for you. Come on, just let us adore you. Yes, we know that you're not her, but you were her. You know what it meant to love her. You remind us so much of her.
They're not exactly easy to get along with.
Today, right here, right now, I'll love again. I've already found someone.
Just let us adore you. Come live with us in the palace. There's a room waiting for you.
I'll love again. I've already found someone.
Just let us adore you.
Yes, I know that you're not hurt and I was hurt. You know what it meant to love her, and you remind me so much of her.
Today, right here, right now, we'll love again. We've already found someone. Here in the garden, let's play a game. I'll show you how it's done. Here in the garden, stand very still. This'll be so much fun. And then she smiled, that's what I'm after. The smile in her eyes, the sound of her laughter. Happy to listen, happy to stay, happily watching her drift. Let's go in the garden, you'll find something waiting right there where you left it, lying upside down. When you finally find it, you'll see how it's faded. The underside is later.